Always refer to the installation manual and product catalog for full details. If in doubt, please contact Nova Technical Support. Mark 60 cm on the subfloor to indicate the return bar position of the manifold. Attach isolation ball valve, manifold pump set, and fill the drain valves. Using a 22 mm compression to 3/4 male BSP fitting, connect the flow and return pipes from the heat source. A set of pipe cutters and a pipe rerounding tool is supplied with all kits to ensure a secure and clean connection using the Eurocone compression connectors. Apply the Eurocone nut and split olive to the underfloor heating pipework before inserting the pipe insert. Fill the system from a mains tap. Do not use the boiler fill loop. Drain water into a bucket. Pressure test the system up to 6 bar to ensure a leak-free connection. Adjust the flow rates for each loop of pipe. This is calculated by dividing the length of pipe by 40 unless otherwise stated in the plans.